Now, let's compare 4 over 7 to 5 over 9. Are they equal? Or is 4 over 7 bigger than 5 over 9? Or is it smaller than 5 over 9? Now, in this example, we need to rewrite both of the denominators. So let's start with 4 over 7. To find the same denominator, I can simply multiply 7 with 9. So 7 times 9 in a denominator, and I apply the same calculation in a numerator. So that will be equal to 36 over 63. So 4 over 7 is equals to 36 over 63. Now, let's look at 5 over 9. To find the same denominator, I will multiply 9 with 7, and I do the same calculation in the numerator. So 5 times 7 is 35, and 9 times 7 is 63. That means that 5 over 9 is equals to 35 over 63. And if we compare numerators, we can see that 36 is more than 35. Therefore, 4 over 7 is bigger than 5 over 9.